In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size A3 in Excel. If you've ever needed more room on a worksheet for a report, a schedule, or a large table, switching the paper size to A3 is a quick way to give your content more breathing space. A3 is larger than the common A4 or letter sizes, so it's great for wide tables and visuals that you want to print clearly on a single sheet. First, open your workbook and look toward the top of Excel for the ribbon, which is the strip of tabs like Home, Insert, and more. Click the Page Layout tab. This tab collects everything related to how your sheet will look when printed, including margins, orientation, and paper size. If your Excel window is narrow, some options may be grouped. That's okay. You'll still find what you need here. Next, in the Page Layout tab, find the Page Setup group and click the Size button. This opens a menu of preset paper sizes recognized by Excel and your system. You'll see familiar options like letter and A4. A3 is included in this list, and it's defined as 297 by 420 millimeters, or roughly 11.7 by 16.5 inches. Choosing the right size here ensures your print area and page breaks reflect the dimensions you plan to use. Now, click A3 from that list. As soon as you do, Excel applies the new page size to the active worksheet. You might notice page break indicators shift if you're in Page Break Preview, or if you later open Print Preview. This change doesn't alter your data or formatting. It simply changes the canvas size for printing. Your existing orientation, whether portrait or landscape, stays the same, and margins remain whatever they were before. If your content looks cramped or too spread out after switching to A3, you can fine-tune column widths, row heights, or margins to make the most of the larger page. A few helpful notes as you work. The availability of certain paper sizes can depend on your printer setup. If A3 doesn't appear, it can be due to the printer configuration on your computer. Also, remember that a larger paper size won't automatically scale your content. It just gives you more space. If your goal is to fit a specific table on one page, you can adjust column widths or consider scaling in page layout later on, after the size change. And that's it. Click Page Layout, choose Size, and select A3. With just these steps, you've prepared your worksheet for a larger, cleaner print. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.